Hooray, your kits are here! And your students have just seen those big gray totes be wheeled into your room by your building custodian, and they know that inside is something really exciting to learn about. You'll notice that that the totes have a number on it and an identification of how many totes or boxes are in your kit. For this one, Ecosystems kit, it is everything you need to teach 30 students is contained into these kits. What you don't see right here is that in this pocket there should be a teacher tag, and that teacher tag has your name on it along with the date that it will be picked up and returned. So that's how we keep track of the different kits and how they are and who they go to. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get your kit is to, of course, unpack it. And to do that, you're going to find the packing list for your kit inside. You'll notice that there's a column for receiving inventory and then returning inventory. This is important because we want to make sure you have everything you need to teach the unit. And if there are any mistakes or anything that we've missed, you need to let us know that right away by calling our office so that we can get those materials to you as soon as possible. You'll also notice that there are non-consumable items that need to be returned, and then there are a list of consumable items. The consumable items are items that you'll use and probably change somehow. Maybe they'll be dirty or bent or cut or colored on. And so when you are using any of the consumable items, we expect you to keep those or throw them out or not put them into the tote when you return it. The non-consumables are returned, so you want to do the best you can to make sure that those materials are dry and somewhat clean before you put them back in the tote when you're finished with your unit. One of the things that makes the Einstein project an easy button for the teacher in the classroom is that it comes pre-packed with all of the consumable and non-consumable materials you'll need to teach to a class of 30 students. But besides those materials, you'll also have a teacher's guide, a NGSS standards guide, a nonfiction reader, and a student investigation book. These materials all come packaged in plastic bags to protect them from any dirt or water that may be in your kit when you return it. We want to make sure that there's no damage to the curriculum materials. So when you are returning your kit, you want to make sure that all of your cups that you're returning or other containers aren't still dirty and that they are not going to impact the quality of the teacher's guide. You're going to want to go to the materials management and safety portion of your teacher's manual to locate the needed but not supplied section. This list should have also been sent to you upon confirming your order. Every once in a while there are certain things we can't send to you in your kit. For example, one of our kits contains 30 pounds of soil, and to send that to you would just not be very economical. So in this specific Ecosystems kit, you'll see that there are 2-liter bottles as well as leaf matter that need to be collected by the teacher prior to the kit arriving. So you want to make sure that you check that needed but not supplied list to make sure that you have those things for the smooth running of your kit.